Scott will let us go by here, hopefully.
So you have to wait for the turn signal?
Yeah, I gotta wait for the point by.
So did he even point by?
No, he didn't. I was being a bit of a prick. Yeah, so the first lap we'll just try to warm the tires up, especially after a lunch break.
Yeah.
Everything's really cold.
Yeah.
Speed limit's 50 in here.
Okay.
And then when you kind of get to this spot, this is when you can kind of pick it up. Really slippery corners here. This is where everybody stands, so I'm staying a little wide.
Yeah.
You can feel the front end scrubbing here. That's what happens if you don't get it quite right. The tires are still really cold too.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Yeah.
The braking points you're talking about.
Yep. Still wet through here.
Like this might honestly be better for me though, because like I'm nervous that I might do something stupid and crash it.
You probably will. I mean,
they're not going 10/10ths or whatever. That's why.
No, the Corvette's a nice platform too, but it's hard to find a standard one.
Oh, true. Yeah.